Now you want to connect your monday.com workspace with GitHub so your team can track the commits, pull the questions and issues directly from your project board. In this video, I will show you step by step how to integrate monday.com with GitHub, and even if you have never done any integrations before. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology and the automation and integrates to help you work smarter, not harder. If you enjoy saving time with smart tools, don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for weekly tutorials, and check out the link from the description to get some special offers. Now once you are logged in your monday.com account and the GitHub account, now let's go to zapier.com. If you don't have any Zapier account, just you can create within a minute. So it's super easy and it's very powerful. Now once you are inside the Zapier, click on this create button and go with these Zaps. Now here, if you want, then you can change the name of this workflow, but I am keeping as it is. And here click on this trigger and search for the GitHub. Okay, so choose this and here just choose and trigger. Let's say if there any activity happen or any issue, then it will create a board or something in monday.com. So I'm going with this new issue and let's just sign in your account. So if you don't have logged in before the GitHub, you can see there is an option for the sign in. So if you click on that, then it will be like this. The process will be similar. So just simply click here the sign in and it will see this kind of pop-up and just allow that and it will be connected. Now click on this continue, again continue. Now just test the trigger. Now after test it, if it is okay, then click on this continue, and for the action just search for the monday.com. Okay, so now select this and similarly choose an event action here. It will create a board. Now just log in your monday.com account here, simply sign in and click on this continue. Here give it a name for the board. So let's say the name will be test. Now select the board kind and then click on this continue. Now here just test this step. See, our integration is okay. Now publish this and that's it. Our integration with the GitHub and the monday.com is completely okay and it's live already. So that's it basically. This is how you can create the integration with the GitHub and the monday.com. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.